Hello all, my name is Krishnaik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this particular video we are going to discuss, is there any official certification for data science? Okay, now this particular topic has been asked by many of my subscribers, so I specifically wanted to make a video on this. And before I proceed, please make sure that you subscribe the channel. We are very much near to 400k subscribers. The target is 2 days. Within 15th we really need to reach 400k, so please help me out guys. Now let's go back to the topic. Before I say anything regarding certification guys, more important than the certification is the practical knowledge, is the implementation knowledge. Okay, so don't be just directly dependent on certification, because I previously also made a video. A person had 6 certifications, in various related fields in data science and cloud computing, but still he was not able to get any kind of jobs, right? Because over there, whenever he was going and attending any kind of job interviews, he was failing in the interview because he was not able to explain the interviewer properly. So just consider certification as just a cherry on top of the cake, just to make the cake look attractive. Similarly, just to make your resume look attractive, you'll basically write this. But one more thing, if you write more certifications in your resume, the interviewer will be having more expectation. Okay, now let's go ahead and let's try to understand, is there any official certification for data science? Because you have seen so many PGD certification, this certification, diploma certification, that certification, what all certification. And I trust me, right now I'm about to complete my 10 years of IT experience. I do not have any kind of certification still, because I focus more on implementing and having more practical knowledge itself. Right now let's go ahead towards understanding this. Is there any official certification for data science as such? So understand guys, if I want you all to say that if you really want to go with some kind of certification, say now suppose let's take an example of AWS or Azure. In AWS cloud and Azure cloud also, and usually data scientist usually works in this kind of cloud platforms. Okay, and nowadays AWS and Azure are also providing services with respect to this particular platform, web services. Like this services may be with respect to machine learning, it may be with respect to deep learning. And now if the company wants you all to actually work in AWS, and probably you are also interested to work in AWS cloud, at that time I would consider go ahead and try to take this AWS certified machine learning certification, saying that you are very much experienced in working in AWS cloud, and you also know how to basically implement a machine, or how to solve a machine learning problem statement using AWS services itself, right? So I can consider that can be an official certification for AWS. And at that point of time, if you show this kind of certification, or you show the certification with respect to AWS cloud and all, right, that will add little bit more advantage. But again guys, the main priority here also I'll try to give it on the practical knowledge. Okay, practical knowledge, yes, to tell that yes, you are good in AWS, this certification will be very handy. And the certification exams also cost little bit more, somewhere around $100 to $200, and probably many people give this. Now apart from this, in TensorFlow developer certificate is also there. TensorFlow is an amazing library in machine learning and deep learning, in deep learning that we use, and TensorFlow itself, they provide this certification. And probably what I was seeing, the price is somewhere around $100. I feel that this certification will be important, okay, instead of going with PG diploma or those part-time certificates and all. That is what I feel. Again, that is my feeling, because this certification has been provided by the people who have created all these things, right? TensorFlow has come up with Google, so just understand it is given as an open source, and if you're an expert over there, you'll be able to clear this particular certification, and this certification can add some value. Okay, again I'm saying you, it will not add the entire value. Just by having this certification you'll get the job. No, don't think in that particular way, because at the end of the day your theoretical and practical knowledge is very much important. Because I have taken interviews also where people have given in their resume regarding TensorFlow developer certificate, AWS machine learning certificate, even Azure machine learning certificate, Azure ML Studio, the entire CI/CD pipeline they have actually created. That kind of certification also they had for this data science role. But when I asked them some kind of questions, they were not able to answer. Okay, so again I'm telling you, if you really want to go for any kind of certification, go with respect to this kind of certification. At least I would like to tell you, because this may look pretty much good, but again the expectation of the interviewer will also be a little bit higher. Now people may be saying that Krish, because there are many people who says that Krish, should I go with this certification? What I suggest them that, see guys, I'm not saying that don't go for certification. Certification can just add as a cherry on top of your resume. If you want to go ahead, but focus more on the practical aspects. The other thing that I also suggest people, because there are also so many of my friends, who have done full time their masters and MSc from foreign universities, masters in India by writing gate exams and all. They are working in this AI field itself right now. Okay, those full time studies will count more value. Okay, and probably if you're planning to do your masters and MSc, do it from a good college, guys. Get some good rank and do it from a good college. Then only the return of investment, the investment that you're going to do while studying, you'll get the returns after you complete the your entire master's course itself, and that should be full time, not like postgraduate diploma. I don't know what is this postgraduate diploma. I tried to see the syllabus and I tried to see different things, but I think still the value will not count, because that is a part-time kind of thing. What I would suggest is that go with a full time, go from a very good college, then only you go for masters or MSc, otherwise don't go it. And again, if you really want to do any kind of certification, do the certification with respect to the company that provides that kind of services. That will actually add some amount of value. Okay, and again, certification is not that important. Again, I'm telling you, it is not compulsory you need to have. You if you have enough theoretical and practical knowledge, I think anybody will be able to get into data science. Okay, so this was the question that was asked by one of my subscribers, so I thought of making this particular video. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe the channel if you're not already subscribed. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you and all. Bye bye.